Are you a minimalist or a maximalist when it comes to decorating with indoor plants? Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby. Welcome to day 11 of the Interior Plants Design series. In the design world, being a minimalist means using less in your plant's design, or as they say, less is more. A maximalist means using as much stuff as possible in your design, or as they say, more is more. A minimalist uses less plants in a design than a maximalist. A minimalist uses less colors, less materials, and less of everything. Whereas a maximalist uses lots of indoor plants with different colors, planters, and different materials in a design. So when it comes to indoor plants design, are you a minimalist or a maximalist? Let me know in the comment section which one you are. I'm a minimalist most of the time, but occasionally I do enjoy doing a minimalistic design every now and then. Let me show you a few contrasting minimalistic designs versus some maximalistic designs. But before I show you these designs, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Here's design number 1, an entertainment center shelves. Notice the right side shelves versus the left side shelves. The right size fit all the traits of a minimalistic plant's design. Each shelf has only one item on it. There's only one plant on this side of the shelves. Versus the left side shelves of the entertainment center. The left side of the shelves of the entertainment center screams maximalistic. Each shelf has a plant on it and 2 other home decors on it. The design has some bold colors as well. Design number 2, the end tables. The end table on the right is very minimalistic. It only has one houseplant and a table lamp on it. It's very simple and elegant. Versus the end table on the left. The end table on the left screams maximalistic. Look at it. There are 2 bold royal blue color planters that houses 2 beautiful snake plants and a silver planter that houses a vining pothos. It also has a table lamp. Design number 3, kitchen counters. Let's take a look at these 2 kitchen counters. Let's start with the right side counter. It's very minimalistic. The counter displays one plant sitting in a silver planter, which is sitting on a small silver mat. It also has a small lamp. This minimalistic design is very calm and simple. Versus the left side counter. Let's look at it. It is very maximalistic. The left counter showcases a lot of stuff with lots of different bold colors of gold, yellow, white, royal blue, black, green, and pink. It has 2 indoor plants, and all of it sits on a white rug. It is gorgeous. Design number 4. 2 dressers. Here are the 2 dressers. The left dresser. You can see it is very minimalistic. It displays a beautiful silver satin pothos sitting in a gray bicycle planter and one silver candle holder with a white candle sitting on it. I love this simple minimalistic design on this dresser. The dresser on the right has a maximalistic plants design. The top of the dresser is filled up. It has lots of items on it. The design consists of 2 umbrella plants sitting in gray planters, a red box being used as a book holder, and a charcoal gray wall clock. It looks very nice. Out of the 4 contrasting designs, which design did you like the most? The ones with the minimalistic styles or the maximalistic styles? Let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned to see some images of all the minimalist plant designs and the maximalist plant design that was in this video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.